I'm ready. Eight seconds.
Oh.
Nope.
I like.
Ready. Eight. $10.45. Ready. Eight. $9.21. Ready. Eight. $9.96. Really?
Andre has a counting 11. Andre has a counting 11.
Ready. Eight. Wait. I think it's an hour. Yeah. Wait, let me calculate it.
What happened?
I think it's on our average.
Yeah, it is, bro.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Oh, it's like high 9. What is it?
It's 993. Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's got to be close.
921, 996, and 1045.
Yeah. High 5. Oh, there's pizza. Look. Let's go.
Wait, let me take a picture.
Wait, what was it?
987 in our average.
Wait, isn't it 993 already?
993, and this one is 987.
987. Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
987.
Yeah. I think I won, right?
I don't know.
I think I won.
Sorry.
But you got
987 average.
997?
Yeah.
87.
987.
987, yeah.
Congrats.
Oh, thank you.
That's not NR, is it?
Yeah, it is. From Mexico, yeah.
Okay, crazy. I thought you had NR already with like some 10, so... Yeah, he did. Now it's a bit better. Even better? Okay, yeah, fair enough. He reacts a lot for like...
I'm just farming an arson.
Well, you should have good strategy, but...
Oh my god.
Congrats.
Thank you. You gave me luck, dude. Like, thank you so much. Yeah. Ah, thank you.
This is NR?
Yeah. Mexican NR.
Mexican?
Yeah.
W.